Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Administrator tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is demo application created in Salesforce Classic View. So in this session we are going to create a small demo application. The common things like document, application, object, tab, field in our daily life. Document object, we have to create a document folder by the name classic folder and put a logo in that folder. Next, we have to create an application in classic mode by the name IMS Institute Management System. Then we are going to see object, create a custom object in classic mode by the name registration. Then for that particular registration object, we are going to create a tab in classic mode for registration. Then again for the particular object, we are going to create custom fields in classic mode for registration object by the name, full name and address. So this is a small app we are going to create, and we'll see how easy the Salesforce is provided like document. We are going to create classic folder, application, IMS object, registration and registration ID. We will see how we are going to use this one. Tab, for this particular object registration tab will be there, and two fields we are going to create, full name and address. So to do the practical for creating the application, what we had seen in the PPT, we have to open any browser, type login.salesforce.com, provide here the username and password, hit the login button. By default we are landing in the lightning view platform. So by clicking on view profile, we are going to switch to Salesforce Classic. So first we are going to see or we are going to create this application in the classic mode. Further we are going to do all the practicals in lightning view. So first we are going to create a folder. Click on plus tab. Here all the tabs are coming. Scroll down, go for documents, click on this particular, that is classic folder. Click on tab, it will automatic take the unique name. We can give the access or change the access from here, read only or read write. For now I am making it read write. This folder is accessible by all users, yes. We can change this one also, but for now I am going with the accessible by all users. Click on save button. So classic folder is ready for us. Provide the name. I am providing the document name, issued management system logo. Unique name, just click on tab or hit the tab button. Externally available image, just check this box so that we can use this image in our logo. Next, choose the file or give the location. Here I had taken. One thing important here, the so for now it is 4.89 kb. If you are taking more than 20 kb, it is not going to support as logo. Click on save button. So this logo is coming over here. Again, coming back to setup button. Then we are going to create the application as per our PPT what we had seen in classic mode. So all the things we are doing in the classic mode only. So for creating the application, just click on setup, then build, then create, then apps. So here all the apps are coming standard apps, that is created by Salesforce or given to us by Salesforce. So click on new, choose custom app, click on next. So app label will be IMS. I am providing here issued management system. Again API is the same one, and in the description I am providing the full name. But in the real time we have to provide a proper description. uh, so again we can see over here the file size of a custom app logo must be smaller than 20 kb. If it is more than this, then we can't use as logo. So also dimension is also given over here. Dimension should be a maximum of 300 pixel wide and 55 pixel high for best result. Click on insert an image, choose our classic folder, choose IMS logo. So our logo is coming over here. Click on next button. For this app there is no object or tabs is there. So by default one home tab is given by Salesforce, and default landing tab would be home only. If we need some tabs to add in this particular application, we can do, but for now we are not going to take any available tabs or standard tabs. Click on next. So for now I am making it visible for all the profiles. We'll see in our coming session what is the difference between all the profiles and given to the particular profile. So system administrator, standard user and standard platform user, these are the common profiles. At least we have to provide these profiles, but for now we had taken all the profiles. Click on save button. So our application is also created, it's done. For issued management system we are seeing the delete button, but not for other apps. Why? Because all the apps are provided by Salesforce, we can't delete that standard applications. But for our application or for the custom application we can delete the apps. So it is available over here. So two parts are done, like we had created the document, we had created the application. Next we are going to create object. So object name would be registration, as we had seen in our PPT. So for creating any object, we have to click on setup, build, create objects. Click on new custom object. Provide the name of that particular object, in our case registration. Take the plural name of registration. It is not starting with vowel sound. So for the record name, we are going to take this one, registration number, and data type would be auto number. We'll see what is this. So registration ID is, I am taking RID, registration ID hyphen, in the curly brace I am giving 0, and here I am giving 1. So starting number would be 1. For the optional features, I am checking all the checkboxes. Deployed, search is available, add notes and attachments related list to default page layout checked, and launch new custom tab wizard after saving this custom object. We are making this both checked. Click on save button. It is going to redirect us on the tab. So next we have to create the tab. For this object tab is style, I am taking like lightning, and in the real time we have to provide the description of this particular tab. Click on next button. So again add to profiles. So for now we are going with the default one. So for all the profiles, this particular object is visible or default on. So again system administrator, standard user and standard platform user is here, and for this also default on. Click on next button. Again add to custom apps. These are the apps, all the means most of the apps are standard apps, and this is the app what we had created, and this one is the custom app. It is also checked. For now it is checked for all the tabs or all the apps. Click on save button. So to see our application we have to click the app menu drop down, and we'll see our application also below all tabs. This is our application what we had created right now. So click on this issued management system. Our logo is coming over here, what we had put in the document folder. Our registration object is coming over here. So while clicking on this registration tab and clicking on new button, we are not seeing any data over here or any field over here, because up to now we had not created any field for this registration object. So for creating the field for any custom object, there are so many ways we can create, but for now we are going with expand quick access menu. Click on this, view fields is there, and by clicking on new it will create the new field for that particular custom object registration. So we are going to create here two fields. Full name would be a text type, so data type we are taking text. providing the full name, field label, length I am giving 50, enter the full name. In the real time, we will give the proper description of that particular field. Help text, if you need, you can provide. Establish field level security or FLS. We are going with default one. Click on next button. So again we have to create one more field, that is address. Click on next button, and address would be text area type. Allow users to enter up to 255 characters on separate lines. So for address it is a little bit long, so we are taking text area. Click on next button, provide the field name address. We can provide here description, help text required. Again FLS is here, we are going with default one. So finally we are going to click on save button, because we are not going to create any more fields. So for now, if I am clicking on registration button and again clicking on new button, we will see the fields, two fields we had created. For now, just I am putting some demo information. So I am providing here a demo information. Full name is like Aman Singh and address is New Delhi. Clicking on save button. After saving, we are seeing the details like registration number, what we had created at the time of object creation, full name, address, and created by, last modified by, and owner. These are the by default fields given by Salesforce, and this is available for all the objects, that may be standard object or custom object. So this we had seen a small app, how we are going to interact and how we can develop the project in the real time environment. Thank you, and if you guys found this video helpful, please do like, subscribe, and also leave a comment down below.